beach is a good place to pick up girls because you can really see them. Most beaches are with chicks, and they're
Better luck next time.